Hi there, I'm Sarah Bradshaw, and I want to help all of you learn how to garden like a guru. I'm sure a lot of you out there have noticed the increasing food prices, the decreasing food quality, and have experienced a desire on some level to grow your own food. But hey, I get it. Where do you grow food if you live in an apartment, if you live in a condo, if you live in the city? Where do you grow food if you don't have a garden? Well, what I've discovered over all the years that I've been gardening is that you can grow food almost anywhere. You don't need a garden. You do need a place to grow food, but it doesn't necessarily need to be a garden. And of course, that's going to bring you to the next question of, well, if you don't need a garden, what do I grow? Where do I grow it? And how do I get hooked up? Well, I've been spending decades now refining the choices in the garden world. And one of the things that I've really focused on is helping people choose plants that will grow in small spaces, that will provide food for them, that they can save the seeds from so that they can grow future generations of the same food and aren't dependent on constantly buying food. So not only doing your own gardening, but actually achieving a measure of food independence. And that sounds like a tall order, and I get that the next problem to that is, well, how do I learn it all? And the really good news about that is you don't learn it all. You really do not learn it all at once. What you do is you borrow my expertise, you borrow my knowledge, you get your hands on some of the things that I have to give to you, and you come to an understanding that it takes you a lot of years to learn how to garden from the ground up, but you can get started right away. You can be growing food this winter. You don't even have to wait till spring. So make sure you sign up with Wise Woman Seeds Gardening course, where we can help you garden like a guru.